So here you go, guys. This is a better look at what happens when it's absolutely... Oh, and as soon as I put the camera on, it slows down to nearly a stop. But this is what happens when there's a downpour. English lang. So we've picked the worst of days to go into town, but it won't stop raining. So we've got to go into town today. I'm trying not to get my camera wet. I mean, under normal circumstances it should be alright getting wet, but to have an external mic on you need to take off one of the waterproof doors. Hi. 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 Come, sweet Plaza. There's another typhoon. We must be on the outskirts of the typhoon then. It's never stopped raining, has it? All day yesterday it was raining.
3 days, I think.
Yeah, day before that. So it's hard to get out and take any video. Now, somebody contacted me and said that they were opening up Plaza today, but Mel said the 18th was what she... Oh, that would have been good on video if you'd have gone down there. That would have been funny. Now, what about if you just... I'll edit this bit out, just pretend that you've gone down and it was just an accident. How about it, babe? No? Alright.
Because we have a friend working in City
You have a friend?
Yeah, it's a guy.
You have a guy friend?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's working in City Hall.
Is that who you're always talking to when you're on your phone?
No?
Look, babe, you can tell me. It'll make a... Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. It'll make a lot of sense of things that's happening.
It's not totally my friend. It's not the one. Sometimes we go there to outside of our house, sitting down there.
I haven't got a clue what she's saying. The big fat. That's a bit rude, isn't it? The big fat. Oh my God. Look at it. This is what we call a tropical storm.
If you don't believe it to me, we're gonna go to Plaza after.
Yeah. Well, this is what it's like in the Philippines, and I love this, but not every day. Week in, week out.
It's gonna be every day because it's rainy season.
Yeah, rainy season now. It's June. I can't put my mask on, babe. Is that the right way? Is the metal at the top? Hey, let's get down, man. There you go. So, oh my God. So look at that. Look at the drain pipe. It finishes just a little way halfway down the wall. Oh, we've got the wind now, babe. We've got the wind. Probably not such a good idea. Did we really need to come out today, Mel? Huh? Did we really need to come out today?
No.
You make me laugh. You look like a little pixie.
You don't need to go there today.
Why have we got this far before you say we don't need to go out?
Because if I say something and then you prepare.
Because what?
We don't need to say today.
Well, we might as well now, because this is going to be fun, isn't it? I don't know what you're saying, Mal.
Let's go around over there. Let's go back to the house.
Why?
because it's raining.
Yeah, well.
It's able to carry.
I'm mating.
You're not able to carry the things that you're gonna buy.
Why are you always whining? It's only a bit of rain. Is it because of walking? She doesn't like walking either. She doesn't like exercise.
You need to rush.
Why is it I get more exercise and I'm so fat and you're so thin? That's what I want to know. See, when I was a kid I used to love this. And this rain is, it's not warm, but it's not cold. Oh my god. Oh, I'd love to be on a motorbike. Looks fun. Right, so if you come to Naga and you want to get anything from a hardware and you want help because you're a foreigner, you need to come here. Hello. Okay. Because this is the this is my favourite hardware. I'm looking for a bit of a pipe, so I'll have to go outside. Excuse me. Thank you. They've not got any actual pipe. I don't think we've got any in the shop. Wait a minute. See if I can see my guy. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. So this is the owner of the shop. She's very kind. Where's my man?
Upset, sick. He's sick.
He's sick? Oh my god. So again, if you want any hardware stuff, I'm being serious, come here. They're very helpful. Very, very helpful. Amazingly helpful, in fact. Hello. So they're opposite. Oh god, I don't want to get my camera wet. They're opposite Unitop. This is Unitop. So they're opposite there. Phil Trust Bank. I want a little bit of pipe. I've just bought one, a metal pipe, but I don't want to buy another 3 meter length. I just want like 4.5 meters, 4.5 meters, 1.5 meters. They haven't got any pipe now. So we're going to have a look and see if Plaza's open yet. Yeah. It's very hard, you know, when you're in the Philippines to get correct information. You know, I've weathered the storm to come and show you guys that Plaza was open. And what we're going to do is just sit and people watch for 10 minutes. And because I've had a lot of feedback from that people watch I did a long time ago, and they said every now and then, Chris, why don't you just do a people watch? We enjoyed it, seeing all the gorgeous women walking through Plaza, because they all tend to walk through Plaza, don't they, to then get onto a trike and then go to SM, don't they, Mark? Excuse me, they're my grapes. What? No, it's alright. I'm only joking, no, you know what? No, they can share them. Really? Yeah, smell, really. Stop trying to make out I'm a tight git, even though I am.
I want more. That's not enough. It's not enough.
Not enough? When's enough for you? So anyway, the storm's given up the ghost a little bit. So I guess we'll walk back the other way rather than walk back the same way as what we walked. And you see see how unsurprising it is that there's still quite a few people in town, whereas in the west, if it had been torrential rain like this, it would have been a ghost town where I was.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly